Hi guys, this is Parag. Welcome to Paradigms Decoder. I hope you all are good. In today's session, we are going to start the types of output statements. So, what are the output statements? In last session, we have seen input statements, and this session, output statements. We know print function we use every time when learning the code. That print function is output statement. We can use print function to display output. There are different forms of the output functions. In this form, we are discussing the type without any argument. It is just prints a new line of characters. Okay, so let's see with the examples. See, here we have given the print string. Okay, this is the syntax. Print, we give inside that the string. While printing the string, what we give? We write print, inside parenthesis we write our string like this, give quotation, hello world, and print this. Okay, so this is the simple. Now we can use some of the escape characters in the string. What are the escape characters? See, in this print statement we have mentioned the hello /n. See, /n, this is the escape character. When we write the /n, after writing this /n and printing the statement, in return we will get the next words into new line. The words, the part of the string after this /n into new line. Let's see. I comment out second line. We will just focus on this line. See, I will run this. See, hello world. Previously it came like this. Now due to the escape character, this is came like this. Okay, now we will discuss the second escape character. See here, print hello. See, I will write in the new cell for you. Okay, see, print hello /t word. See this /t. See, now I will join this world. Okay, see, and remove the /t. What will happen? This string will come like this. Okay, now I will put /t inside. Okay, see, now what will happen? It will give us the space. Okay, this is the tab space, indentation tab. For the giving the indentation we use the tab. Okay, so that tab space is given by this /t. Okay, now you will ask me what is indentation. Okay, see, what is the tab space actually? When I define any function like this, define function. Okay, suppose this function, While making the functions, we give the syntax like this, semicolon, then pressing enter, it will get this space, empty space. In this return, I will mention something, okay? Return A plus B, something like that. Okay, suppose A comma B. So I create this function, then in form parenthesis 1 comma 2, see, sorry, return. See, this return was not defined properly, so this return A plus B. Now we got with this function A comma B 3. Okay, I just introduce you the function for the sake of understanding what is the this tab is. What is this indentation space given by tab? These are these four. See, this space is nothing but indentation. Suppose I will not give this indentation in this program and I will run this program. See, there is error, expected an intended block. Okay, so this is nothing but when I will press tab here, see here before return, now this is the indentation. Okay, this is the tab function generally works. Okay, so now you will understand what is the indentation. Okay, okay, so this slash t is doing the separation work with the indentation. See, hello world slash t. See, we got indentation here. This tab separator, the escape character slash t is used. Okay, now next we will see with the example of repetition operator. What is the repetition operator now? See, we can use repetition operator star in parentheses like this. Okay, so what this star do? This star gives the multiple strings when mentioned inside the string. See, in this example, print inside parentheses we give star 10. Okay, 10 star. See, before hello we will give 10 and star. Okay, so what will return this? It will return the 10 times this hello string. Are you understanding? This 10 time hello string. So this hello came 10 times due to this. See, okay, now see the variation. You can do multiple variation. Suppose we give the string here hello and then we mention the star 2, so it will give the hello 2 times. See, hello hello 2 times we got. So in this way repetition operator works. Now we will see the plus operator. Plus operator simply adding the strings, which is we call as the concatenation of string. See, hello world, or suppose we will change paragems decoder. See, these two string we have mentioned here. Now this two string will come as the paragems decoder. See, okay, in this way this first type of the string form works. Here we can see the syntax of the print function. where the parameters are given: object, sep is equal to separator, end is equal to end, file is equal to file, flush is equal to flush. Out of these 5 parameters, we generally used first 3, and the file and flush, these parameters are used in the advanced Python programming. In next session, we will discuss object, separator is equal to separator, and end. So before joining the next session, you can also go through this. In practical, I will explain you all these parameters in next session. Thank you.